Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Pyper, a Python library that makes concurrent programming a breeze. It's like magic, but with less rabbits and more, well, faster data processing. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. I've been looking for a way to simplify my ETL processes, and this sounds promising. What's the core idea behind Pyper?
At its heart, Pyper uses a functional programming approach to handle concurrent and parallel data processing. Think of it as a sophisticated pipeline. You feed in your data, and Pyper, with its elegant API, processes it efficiently using threads, multiprocessing, or async operations, all seamlessly integrated.
Seamlessly integrated? That sounds almost too good to be true. How does it handle the complexities of concurrency, like race conditions and memory leaks?
That's the beauty of it. Pyper abstracts away all that messy stuff. It handles the heavy lifting for you, ensuring your code is safe and efficient. No more wrestling with low-level details. You just define your data transformations.
So you're saying I can just define my functions, and Pyper will magically handle the concurrency? What about the actual implementation?
Precisely. You use the !task decorator to turn your functions into pipeline stages. You chain these stages together using the pipe operator just like in Unix. It's incredibly intuitive. Under the hood, it uses queues and workers to manage the flow of data between stages, optimizing for different types of tasks.
Okay, I'm following. But how does it handle different types of tasks? Async, synchronous, CPU-bound, I/O-bound.
That's the clever part. You can mix and match. If a task is async, Pyper uses !asyncio. If it's CPU-bound, it uses multiprocessing days. If it's synchronous iodine monoxide bound, it uses threads, all within the same pipeline. It automatically chooses the best execution method for each task.
That's impressive. So it's not just about concurrency. It's also about choosing the right concurrency model for the job. But what about installation? Is it a hassle?
Not at all. It's a simple !pip install Python Pyper . And the best part? It's pure Python with zero dependencies, lightweight and efficient.
Zero dependencies? That's a huge plus. It sounds like Pyper is a game changer for anyone working with large datasets and needing efficient concurrent processing. One quick question though. The documentation mentions using !branch equals true in some examples. What's that about?
Yes. The !branch equals true parameter in the !task decorator is used to create a branching pipeline. This is useful when you need to process data in parallel from a single source. It's a powerful feature for handling scenarios where you need to split the workload. Think of it as creating multiple parallel pipelines from a single input stream.
I see. Interesting. So it's not just a simple linear pipeline, but it can handle more complex workflows. This is really exciting stuff. Thanks for the breakdown.
My pleasure. Pyper truly simplifies concurrent programming in Python. Go check out the documentation and examples on their GitHub page. You won't regret it. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.